Welcome back to MF Cars Review. The 2025 Standard 2000 has been one of the most anticipated releases in the automotive world, and it's finally here. This year's model brings a host of updates, both under the hood and in its design, making it a standout choice for drivers looking for a blend of performance, style, and technology. The exterior has been refreshed with a more aerodynamic profile, featuring sleek lines and a bold front grille that gives it a modern, aggressive look. The headlights have been upgraded to full LED with adaptive functionality, ensuring better visibility and safety during night drives. Additionally, the new color options, including Midnight Sapphire and Solar Flare Orange, add a fresh appeal to the lineup. Under the hood, the 2025 Standard 2000 boasts a newly engineered 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive 280 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that offers smooth and responsive shifts, making it a joy to drive whether you're on the highway or navigating city streets. For those who prioritize fuel efficiency, there's also a hybrid variant that combines a 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor, delivering an estimated 45 mpg combined. This makes the Standard 2000 not only powerful but also environmentally friendly, catering to a wide range of drivers. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Standard 2000 has undergone a significant transformation. The interior now features premium materials, including soft-touch surfaces and genuine leather upholstery, giving it a luxurious feel. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The system is also equipped with voice recognition, allowing drivers to control various functions without taking their hands off the wheel. Another notable addition is the 10-inch digital instrument cluster, which can be customized to display navigation, audio, and vehicle information. Safety has always been a priority for the Standard 2000, and the 2025 model takes it to the next level. It comes standard with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The car also introduces a new 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier than ever. For added peace of mind, the Standard 2000 has earned a 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, making it one of the safest vehicles in its class. One of the most exciting updates for the 2025 Standard 2000 is its focus on technology. The car now supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that the infotainment system and other software components are always up to date. It also features a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium sound system from a renowned audio brand, delivering an immersive listening experience. For tech-savvy drivers, the Standard 2000 offers an optional augmented reality head-up display that projects navigation and safety information directly onto the windshield, reducing distractions and enhancing driving confidence. The 2025 Standard 2000 also excels in terms of comfort and convenience. The seats are ergonomically designed and offer heating and ventilation options for both the front and rear passengers. The rear seats can be reclined, and there's ample legroom, making long journeys comfortable for everyone. The trunk space has been increased to 18 cubic feet, and the rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items. Additionally, the car features a hands-free power liftgate, making it easier to load and unload groceries or luggage. Driving dynamics have also been improved in the 2025 Standard 2000. The suspension has been tuned for a balance between comfort and sportiness, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough roads. The steering is precise and responsive, giving drivers a sense of control and confidence. For those who enjoy a more spirited driving experience, the Sport mode sharpens throttle response and adjusts the suspension for a more engaging ride. The all-wheel drive option is available for those who need extra traction in adverse weather conditions. Pricing for the 2025 Standard 2000 starts at $32,000 for the base model, making it an attractive option in its segment. The hybrid variant starts at $36,000, while the fully loaded trim with all the bells and whistles comes in at around $45,000. With its combination of performance, technology, and safety, the Standard 2000 offers excellent value for money. Dealerships are already reporting high demand, so if you're considering this car, it's a good idea to place your order soon. In conclusion, the 2025 Standard 2000 is a well-rounded vehicle that caters to a wide range of drivers. Whether you're looking for a family car, a commuter vehicle, or something with a bit more flair, the Standard 2000 has something to offer. Its updated design, advanced technology, and impressive performance make it a strong contender in its class. If you're in the market for a new car, the 2025 Standard 2000 is definitely worth a closer look. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest automotive news and reviews.